So what you should have now is a maze that doesn't have a roof, and you can go ahead and test that by spawning at this location here. I changed the color to red to match the maze floor, and then walking in it and jumping. All right. If there is a roof, then you will not be able to jump very high. Like, you'll be able to jump like one stud before your head hits the roof. If you're able to jump without a roof, I mean, if you know that there's no roof, you will know that there's no roof if when you jump, you're able to see a little bit over the wall. Okay. And so what I did after I took off the roof is I went through every cell, and like right over here on the maze, I went through every one at a time, and every time I encountered a dead end, let's say this cell here, or this cell here, or this cell here, I renamed the cell dead cell, and I renamed it by numbered, so dead cell 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. And so why don't you go ahead and do that, and once you do, you will have a bunch of cells down here called dead cells, right? And these are all marked off, which is great, because now we could go ahead and program a script that will cause an explosion to go off if the player touches one of these dead cells. Okay, and so of course we're going to code this in our module script, and yeah, we're going to code this in our module script. So let's go ahead and do that. I think you might be able to even... No, I was going to say that you might be able to reuse this script, but this script waits for 0.5 seconds. On the script that's going to explode when he reaches the dead end, we want it like a booby trap. Like right when he touches the script, right when he touches the cell, it blows up. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit different, but quite similar. So let us go through this and go to our module script. Grab this explode function. Whoa. Grab the explode function. Paste it here. Let's rename it explode dead. Or let's call it actually booby trap. Booby trap. And what's going to happen is there's not going to be a wait. We're going to get the explosion. The blast rate is going to be 5, 7,000, and it's immediately going to be set to the position that we passed to booby trap. Okay. Now that we have the module function, we can go ahead and code the script, and the script is going to go into the base. Okay, so if you go ahead and zoom in, like if I go to base right here, if I click on the part here in workspace and then I press the F key, then it will zoom right to that spot. So I'm going to press the F key, and then bam, it goes right to that spot. This is the dead cell 1 script. The dead cell 1 model. We got the base, we got the supports, we got the walls, we had the roof, but we deleted it. Okay, so we want to make the touch script be based on the base. So let's go ahead and right click this guy, say insert object, we'll say script. This script is going to be very similar to this one here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and these scripts are the ones that we just created right in the last video. So we'll grab that, and then the parent is going to be base. Copy it. Base. We're not going to call explode. We're going to call booby trap. And we can test it out. Okay. So the testing is going to be a little bit strange. You want to get a cell that's very close to our spawn location to test it out. And so the one that I tested it out with, or tested out mine with, was which one? Okay, this one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and find that. Let me go ahead and copy this script, and then let's find that cell. Oh, it's right there. Okay, great. So we'll go here, we'll go to the base, we'll insert object, we'll insert a script, we will copy and paste into it, and then we can run it. So let's do test, play. I need to run forward, make a right, and then do a U-turn. So let's go and check it out. So this spawn location also needs to be rotated to the left. So let's go ahead and do that as well once we finish checking if the explosion works. Boom, no boom. Okay. So what is the problem here? Oh, okay, so I have the syntax wrong here. Do you see that with the parentheses? So let me delete that and try this again. I'm gonna rotate, run, come in, boom. All right, so that's a pretty good blast radius, and we're ready to go.